Have you ever felt like there's more to reality than meets the eye? Like there's a hidden world just beyond your grasp, waiting to be explored? What if I told you that the key to unlocking this mysterious realm lies within you, a secret gateway known as the third eye, or the pineal gland? By activating this incredible spiritual tool, you can tap into a wellspring of wisdom, intuition, and enlightenment that will transform your life in ways you never thought possible. But what exactly is the third eye, and why should you care about it? The pineal gland is a small, pine cone-shaped gland located deep within the center of your brain. For centuries, spiritual traditions around the world have revered this tiny organ as the seat of higher consciousness and the link between the physical and spiritual realms. The ancient Egyptians associated the pineal gland with the Eye of Horus, a powerful symbol of protection, healing, and divine wisdom. The Hindu tradition speaks of the third eye as the Ajna chakra, a swirling vortex of energy that governs intuition, imagination, and psychic abilities. So why has the pineal gland captured the imagination of so many cultures throughout history? The answer lies in its incredible potential to expand our awareness and connect us with the infinite intelligence of the universe. When the third eye is activated, it can open up a whole new world of possibilities, from heightened creativity and problem-solving abilities to profound spiritual insights and mystical experiences. But here's the thing. Most people go through life with their third eye firmly shut, never even realizing the incredible power that lies dormant within them. In our modern world, we're bombarded with so much noise and distraction that it's easy to lose touch with our inner wisdom and get caught up in the daily grind. We rely on our five senses to navigate the world around us, never suspecting that there might be something more, a sixth sense that can guide us towards our highest truth and deepest purpose. If you're reading this, though, chances are you're not content to sleepwalk through life. You sense that there's something more out there, a deeper reality waiting to be discovered. And you're right. By learning how to activate your third eye, you can tap into a reservoir of knowledge and insight that most people never even know exists. But how do you know if your third eye is starting to open up? There are a few telltale signs to look out for. For one thing, you might find yourself becoming more sensitive to light and sound, as if your senses are heightened and everything seems more vivid and intense. You might start having more vivid dreams, or even lucid dreams, where you're aware that you're dreaming and can control the direction of the dream. Another common sign of third eye activation is a growing sense of inner knowing or intuition. You might find yourself just knowing things without being able to explain how you know them. Like when you have a gut feeling about a person or situation that turns out to be spot on. You might also start seeing colors or patterns when you close your eyes, as if your visual field is expanding beyond the physical realm. As your third eye begins to open, you may also notice a shift in your relationships and the way you interact with the world around you. You might feel a deeper sense of connection to nature, to other people, and to the universe as a whole. You may find yourself drawn to spiritual or metaphysical topics, seeking out books, videos, or teachers that can help you explore the mysteries of consciousness and the nature of reality. But perhaps the most profound effect of third eye activation is the way it can transform your sense of self and your place in the world. When you tap into the wisdom of your pineal gland, you begin to realize that you are so much more than just a physical body with a finite lifespan. You are a spiritual being with infinite potential, connected to the very fabric of the universe itself. This realization can be both exhilarating and humbling as you begin to see your life in a whole new light. So how can you start activating your third eye and unlocking its incredible power? The good news is that there are many simple practices you can incorporate into your daily life to support your pineal gland and encourage its development. One of the most effective ways to activate your third eye is through meditation and mindfulness exercises. By quieting your mind and focusing your attention inward, you create the perfect conditions for your pineal gland to flourish. You can start with just a few minutes of meditation each day, gradually building up to longer sessions as you become more comfortable with the practice. Another powerful tool for third eye activation is visualization. By creating vivid mental images of your desired outcomes or experiences, you engage your imagination and tap into the creative power of your mind. One popular visualization technique is to imagine a glowing ball of light in the center of your forehead, pulsing with energy and vitality. As you focus on this inner light, you may feel a sense of warmth or tingling in your brow area, a sign that your third eye is responding to your intention. Chanting mantras or sounds that resonate with the third eye frequency can also be incredibly effective for activation. The sound OM, as it is said to vibrate at the same frequency as the universe itself, helps to align your consciousness with the cosmic energy that surrounds us. Other powerful mantras for third eye activation include Sham and Tho, which are believed to stimulate the pineal gland and open up the channels of spiritual awareness. In addition to these practices, there are also certain foods and supplements that can support the health and function of your pineal gland. Iodine-rich foods like seaweed, seafood, and eggs are particularly beneficial, as iodine is essential for the production of melatonin, the hormone that regulates sleep and wakefulness. Adaptogenic herbs like ashwagandha and ginseng can also help to balance your body's stress response and support healthy pineal function. Finally, spending time in nature and exposing yourself to natural light can be incredibly nourishing for your third eye. The pineal gland is sensitive to light, and exposure to sunlight during the day helps to regulate its production of melatonin at night. By getting outside and connecting with the natural world, you align yourself with the rhythms of the earth and the cosmos, tapping into a deeper wellspring of wisdom and vitality. As you begin to incorporate these practices into your life, don't be surprised if you start to notice some incredible shifts in your consciousness and your experience of reality. With a fully activated third eye, you may find that your intuition becomes sharper and more reliable, guiding you towards the people, places, and experiences that are most in alignment with your highest good. You may also find that your creativity and problem-solving abilities are enhanced as you tap into a deeper source of inspiration and insight. Perhaps most importantly, though, activating your third eye can help you to cultivate a profound sense of spiritual connection and purpose. When you realize that you are part of something much greater than yourself, a cosmic web of energy and intelligence that spans the entire universe, you begin to see your life in a whole new context. Suddenly, the challenges and obstacles you face take on a different meaning, as you recognize that every experience is an opportunity for growth and transformation. With an activated third eye, you may find yourself drawn to explore the deeper mysteries of existence, the nature of consciousness, the origins of the universe, and the ultimate meaning of life itself. You may discover a new sense of awe and wonder at the incredible complexity and beauty of the world around you, and a renewed appreciation for the precious gift of your own existence. Of course, activating your third eye is not always a smooth or easy process. As with any kind of growth or transformation, there may be challenges and obstacles along the way. You may find that old patterns of thought or behavior resist change, or that the increased sensitivity and awareness that comes with an open third eye can be overwhelming at times. But with persistence and dedication, the rewards of third eye activation are more than worth the effort. By tapping into the incredible power of your pineal gland, you open yourself up to a whole new world of possibility. A world where intuition, creativity, and spiritual connection are your greatest allies, guiding you towards a life of purpose, fulfillment, and joy. So if you're ready to take the first step on this incredible journey of self-discovery and transformation, start by setting a clear intention to activate your third eye. Commit to a daily practice of meditation, visualization, or chanting, and be open to the guidance and insights that come your way. Trust that the universe is conspiring in your favor, and that every challenge or obstacle is an opportunity for growth and expansion. As you continue on this path, remember that you are not alone. There is a growing community of people around the world who are awakening to the incredible power of the third eye and the untapped potential that lies within us all. By connecting with like-minded individuals and sharing your experiences and insights, you can accelerate your own growth and contribute to the collective evolution of human consciousness. So go ahead, take a deep breath, close your eyes, and let your third eye guide you towards the life you were born to live. With an open mind and an open heart, there is no limit to what you can achieve. The universe is waiting for you to claim your birthright as a spiritual being of infinite potential. Are you ready to answer the call?